Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making this very beginner friendly cake roll crochet tutorial. It is super cute as a little keychain. So for materials you will need 2 colored yarn. One of the color has to be for the bread and the other part should be the filling. We need a 2mm hook. And these yarn are both 4-ply milk yarns. So grabbing the yarn you want for your bread, we are going to make a knot. So first of all, grabbing the yarn, making a little loop like this. We're going to insert our fingers through and grab the yarn, pull out to tighten up, inserting our hook, tighten up. And to hold our yarn, we are going to grab our 3 fingers, wrap it around, and then the yarn will go on top of our index finger like this. And then we're going to pull out our middle finger and we are going to grab the other end with our middle finger and thumb like this. This is how our hand should kind of look. And we are going to do 43 chains. To do a chain, we are going to yarn over and pull through the loop. Then you should see the V shape, that's 1 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 40, 41, 42, and 43. So this is how our chain should look like. You should see 43 of these little V shapes. So this is the front of the chain. And if you flip it to the back, you see this little back bumps. This is where we're going to insert our hook. Okay, for this part, we are going to do double crochets. So to do a double crochet, we are going to yarn over first. We're going to skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to insert our hook into the 4th one over here. Might be a bit hard, like this. Let's yarn over and pull out. We're going to yarn over, pull through the first 2 loop, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loop. So that is 1 double crochet complete. And for the next stitch, we're just going to insert into the next stitch over here, here, and then continue on. So double crochet, inserting our hook, yarn over, pull out, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loop, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loop. So we're going to yarn over first, inserting our hook in to the back, yarn over, pull out, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loop, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loop, yarn over, inserting our hook back into the loop at the back, yarn over, pull out, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, inserting our hook into the next back, which is here, yarn over, pull out, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2. And we're just going to continue on until you finish. Okay, on to the last 2. So yarning over, inserting our hook into the back, yarn over, pull out, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loop, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loop, yarn over, inserting our hook into the last one, yarn over, pull out, yarn over, pull through the first two, yarn over, pull through the next two. Now we can just extend and cut off, pulling out, and this is how our piece should be looking like, little cake roll piece. And we'll weave these in later when we finish the other piece. Everything is going to be the same for the cream part. We're going to grab our yarn like this, make a knot, inserting our hook, pull, and then grabbing our yarn like this. We are going to do 33 chains. So we're going to yarn over, pull out, that's 1 chain, yarn over, pull out, 2, 3, and we're going to do 33 chains in total. (30, 31, 32, and 33. This is our 33 chain. And then same thing, this is the front, and if we flip it to the back, this is the back. And we're going to insert our hook in the back of these. So we're going to do double crochet, so yarn over. We're going to skip 3, so 1, 2, 3, and insert on the 4th one, which is here, so inserting our hook over here. Yarn over, pull out, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through the next loop. And we're just going to continue on and insert our hook on every single one of yarn over, inserting our hook, yarn over, pull out, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, inserting our hook into the next one, yarn over, pull out, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2. Next one. Okay, on to our last 2. Yarn over. And then our last one, just here. Extend and cut off. Now for the ends here, if you have a needle, you can just weave in with a needle, but I am going to use my crochet hook. So for those of you who don't have a needle, to weave in, we're just going to insert our hook randomly through, grabbing our yarn, pulling out. Randomly through any stitch, grabbing our yarn, pulling it out. Like this. Pull out. We're just going to cut off. Just going to cut it off. We have our first piece, and we're going to grab our glue. Any glue is fine. I think craft glue, hot glue is fine. I will be using uhu glue. We're going to give a little dab at the front, just a little bit. Align our pieces together like this. And we're going to roll. Once we roll a little bit, I will glue as I roll. Okay. So keep rolling. Glue as we roll. Keep going. Gluing. Dash of glue. Okay. Last little bit. Rolling, and then we have a little edge here. We have to glue this down as well. So I'm going to hold it for a bit for the glue to stick. I'm just going to grab my makeup palette, and I think this one should be a mix of the two here. Just going to give it a little shading to give it that crispy burnt texture. Maybe a bit darker.
This is our cake roll complete. If you find this video easy to follow, please like and subscribe and turn on that little notification bell for future content. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.